If you ask a scuba diver why they dive, you might never get a clear answer. Because for many of us, there isn't just one answer. For some, it may be passing interest. For others, it is a hobby enjoyed on annual vacations. For the rest, it is a passion or even a career. I can openly say that those in the passing interest category are very few and far between. It seems that once a person takes those first breath underwater, then things change. For me, it happened 10 years back. Little did I know back then that my fun scuba diving trip with my best friends in Andaman Island will be a start of something. The first breath I took underwater changed the direction of my life. The ocean, in a matter of speaking, took my breath away. The ocean and scuba diving led me to a part of the world I would never have explored had I not become certified. The people I have met along the way have come from all areas of the world and have added a great deal to my life. Now, I'm an advanced certified scuba diver and have been lucky enough to dive in spots ranging from Mexico's cenote to one of the most marine diverse spots on the world, Raja Ampat in Indonesia. Each dive brings something, whether it's excitement from witnessing your first shark or just the relaxing pace of gliding alongside manta ray. Scuba diving really does open up a whole new world and can double your travel opportunities. Here are a few things that I learned after scuba diving, and I wish you know them too. From the moment you take those first breath underwater, your world becomes bigger, 70% bigger. If you take into the account that water covers that much of our planet, this can be overwhelming as it means there are even more adventures waiting for you in life. You can't actually dive the whole 70%, but you get the idea. You will never forget the first breath you take underwater. It's a mix of amazement, adrenaline, fear, and doubt. As you plunge into the water, the tanks and gears suddenly seem weightless. You nervously raise your arms above your head and slowly immerse into another world where noise, light, and everything around you seems so different yet vaguely familiar. Scuba diving opens up a whole new fantastic world with creatures and sights only seen on TV and movies. As a scuba diver, we are weightless and move in three dimensions. We are aware of our breathing. Our perception of distance is altered. As a scuba diver, we visit colorful underwater rainforests, explore shipwrecks, old and new,